Gift Nifty points to caution as bullish traders are treating every news drop from Wall Street with extra sensitivity. Blame the pessimism at US stock markets too. 1. Renewed concerns over stretched AI valuations. 2. Rapidly fading expectations of a December US Fed rate cut. 3. Investors also turned cautious ahead of this Friday's US jobs data. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests Nifty may waver and the trading day should be just like trying to steer a ship with cloudy windows. You're moving, but are not able to see clearly what's actually ahead. Technically speaking, Nifty's make or break support is placed at 25,740. As long as this zone holds, dips continue to remain attractive buying opportunities for positional bulls. Bottom line, volatility is likely to be the hallmark of the day. Stay tactical, not emotional. Market trends. The global cues are slightly negative. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net seller to the tune of Rs 729 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 6157 crores. Nifty's sentiment could turn risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals suggest massive consolidation. FANO November month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,000 and 26,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is trading near 12.10 levels. At last check, USD INR, November, was trading near the 88.63 levels. Nifty PCR, 25th November, is at 0.91 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th November, is at 1.12. Nifty outlook. Amid growing pessimism across global markets, the bullish sentiment at Dalal Street may also face pressure. For now, the hope is that Nifty maintains stability and moves into a consolidation phase rather than giving in to panic. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 5910. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 25,740 on closing basis. Immediate interweek resistance is placed only at 26,277 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25750 and 26100. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 84673. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 84,000 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 85,978 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 84,000 and 85,000. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 58899. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 58,366 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 59,300 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 58,400 and 59400. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. In yesterday's trade, the bullish sentiment at Dalal Street was seen collapsing as Nifty snapped its 6-day winning streak. This week, all eyes will be on the FOMC minutes from the latest meeting to trickle in this Thursday, 20th November. The minutes will offer deeper insight into the Federal Reserve's thinking after it lowered the federal funds rate by 25 bps at its October 2025 meeting, bringing the target range to 3.75%, 4.00%. Stocks in spotlight. 1. WPIL, plus 4.59%, rallied after its South African subsidiary secured a major contract worth 426 crore rupees from Matsike Martel JV, with a 48-month execution timeline. 2. DCX Systems, plus 0.62%, rose after the company, along with its subsidiary Rainiel Advanced Systems, received purchase orders worth 22.89 crore rupees. 3. Newgen Software Technologies, minus 0.48%, slipped despite securing 1.5 crore rupees contract from a UK-based client. The deal includes software licensing, AWS managed services, and implementation support over a 3-year period. 4. Tata Power, minus 1.54%, dropped 1.54% even as its subsidiary TPREL commissioned a 300 megawatts domestically compliant solar power project for NHPC at Bikaner, Rajasthan. 5. Emcure Pharma, minus 2.37%, slipped after Ban Capital announced plans to offload shares worth 492.7 crore rupees via block deals. The sale includes 38 lakh shares, 2% equity, at 1,296 rupees and 51 paise per share, a 7% discount to Monday's close. 6. AstraZeneca Pharma, minus 1.15%, slipped despite partnering with Sun Pharma to co-market sodium zirconium cyclosilicate, SZC, in India for hyperkalemia treatment. AstraZeneca will brand it as Lokelma, while Sun will sell it as Gimliand.